In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a combo chart in Google Sheets. This versatile chart type is perfect when you want to compare data series that have different scales or types, such as blending a column graph with a line chart. It's a fantastic way to convey a more nuanced story from your data. Now, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to make your own combo chart. To begin with, you'll want to have your dataset ready in Google Sheets. This might seem obvious, but organizing your data before you start is crucial for a seamless chart creation process. Make sure your columns are labeled and your data is neatly sorted. With your spreadsheet open, the first thing you're going to do is select the data that you would like to visualize. Click and drag over your data range. This will highlight the cells you plan to include in your chart. It's important to remember not to select any totals or unnecessary information that could clutter your chart's readability. Once you've successfully selected the appropriate data, look towards the top of your Google Sheets interface and find the Insert menu. Go ahead and click Insert. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this menu, you'll want to choose Chart. When you click on Chart, you should see a chart appear right away in your spreadsheet. At the same time, a chart editor panel will emerge on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel allows you to customize your chart in almost any way you can imagine. Now, we're just a few steps away from producing your combo chart. In the chart editor, you'll notice an area where you can specify the type of chart you need. By default, Google Sheets might show a column chart or a line chart, depending on the data selected. What you're going to do next is change this type to combo chart. Simply click in the drop-down menu where it currently says the existing chart type and look for the combo chart option. Selecting the combo chart type will transform your existing chart, creatively combining elements to better display your data's story. This blend of chart types will help both you and your audience see more in-depth insights at a glance, particularly effective for showcasing different datasets that share some relational aspect. And there you have it. Your combo chart is ready, visually engaging, and potentially more informative than a standard chart type. Remember, the power of the combo chart lies in its ability to mix different visual elements that highlight various dimensions of your data, making analysis clearer and decision-making faster. Thank you for watching today, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful Google Sheets tips and tricks.